PowerShell 5.1 has been around since 2016, but there's a much more powerful version available. PowerShell 7 brings cross-platform support, better performance, and features that 5.1 simply doesn't have. The problem? Windows 11 still ships with 5.1 by default, and if you're working with modern scripts or tools that require PowerShell 7, you'll run into compatibility issues. Today, I'm showing you how to upgrade to PowerShell 7 and set it as your default. Let's jump in. First, let's check which PowerShell version you're currently running. Right-click on the Windows Start button, then select Windows Terminal, Admin. We need administrator permission for this. Inside the terminal, type the following command and hit Enter. As you can see, my PowerShell version is 5.1. So, let's install the latest version of PowerShell. To install the latest version of PowerShell, we'll use the following command. I'll put this command in the video description for you. Make sure the command is correct, then hit Enter. The latest version of PowerShell will start downloading. Currently, the latest version is 7.5. Depending on your internet speed, this process will take a little while, so be patient until the download completes. Once the download is complete, the installation will start automatically. You don't need to do anything, just relax until the installation is done. And there we go! The latest PowerShell version has been installed successfully. Now, here's something important. When you try to check the PowerShell version again, you'll still see the previous version, which is 5. Why? It's because we now have two versions of PowerShell on our computer, the old version and the new version. So, we need to set the latest PowerShell version as the default in Windows Terminal. To do that, right-click on the Windows Start button again, then select Windows Terminal, Admin. Once Windows Terminal opens, look at the top of the window. Click the down arrow icon next to your tabs. This opens the main menu. From this menu, select Settings. Under the Startup tab, look for the Default Profile section. Click on this drop-down, and you'll see that we have two PowerShell versions. The first one is the old version, which is 5.1, and the last one is the latest version we just installed, which is version 7. Select this as the default PowerShell for Windows Terminal, then click the Save button to apply your changes. Close your terminal and reopen it again. As you can see, it now shows that we have PowerShell 7.5 in this terminal. Now, let's open a normal Windows terminal without admin rights. As you can see, we have the same default PowerShell, which is 7.5. When I check the version using the command we mentioned before, we can confirm that we now have the latest PowerShell version, which is currently 7. There you have it! PowerShell 7 is now installed and set as your default. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.